among the very good candidates for VP because ang Vice President usually is an advocate, no? And si Robin is a very strong advocate of even difficult issues.
Attorney, si Chicky Verhelto, no? Just
Ma'am
playing
Chicky.
devil advocate lang, attorney, no? Kasi kanina, humingi ng paumanhin. Effectively nag-sorry si VP Sara sa Taong Bayan dahil tinulungan daw niyang manalo si PBBM, no? Bakit siya dapat pagkatiwalaan ulit ng Taong Bayan? Baka magkamali na naman yung judgment niya.
What a beautiful way to answer a calling. Not to begin with the asking for forgiveness, no? Kasi wala namang perpektong tao and hindi nagsosorry siya sa kanyang pagtanggi, no? Sa kanyang pagtanggi. So ang ginagawa niya ngayon ay kino-correct niya yung pagtanggi na yon. And even on a belated date, she's finally answering the calling. I think marami siyang sinabing sorry about yung nahalal, about healthcare, about yung nangyayari sa bayan, the loss of sovereignty. But I think if you put that in a nutshell, she's saying sorry for not answering the calling. So it wasn't really just a mistake, but it was siguro the lack of conviction on her part at that time to answer a calling. So she's correcting it. So hindi ka pwedeng magkamali if you are correcting a past mistake.
Siguro just to wrap it up, attorney, no, kanina sabi nyo na si VP Sara is not her father and it's been said many times before. Ano po ang pinaka-unique quality ni VP Sara na sa tingin po ninyo ay hindi talaga makikita sa kahit sino mang tatakbo against her?
Ay, yung sinabi nga ni Pangulong Duterte, no, kumakalat na naman sa social media ngayon na yung si Inday Maldita yan. Kasi po marami silang similarities, no? Yung sinasabi kong she's not her father just means they have different opinions on certain key issues. But it doesn't mean they do not share the same strong qualities such as yung anti-corruption, yung talagang hindi po talaga bibigay sa korupsyon, no? No matter what others think, ito po ang aking opinion, ano? Pero yung unique is yung pagiging maldita in a positive sense. Dahil hindi naman po maldita si Pangulong Duterte. He was more of a firm leader who kind of knew how to play certain politics within very legal grounds, pero meron siyang ganyan. Yung sinasabing pagkamaldita ni Pangulong Duterte about Inday Sara is that she is more unbending. She is more unbending, no? Mas ano yan, mas hindi, dito tayo. And, of course, we all know that can be good or bad, no? Pero I think this time, it will be good because the country needs a little bit of rigidity, especially regarding the passing of budgets.